The DJI Mavic Air 2 is a small portable drone that's packed with smart features typically found on more expensive models. In fact, it may just be the smartest drone in DJI's lineup. Its 48 megapixel camera delivers impressive resolution, and this is the first Mavic model to capture 4K video at 60 frames per second for ultra-smooth and natural motion. It can also capture HDR video and high frame rate video at up to 8 times slow motion. Thanks to intelligent features, it's easy to capture great video. Spotlight 2.0 locks onto your subject, and Active Track 3.0 follows it while avoiding obstacles. Smart technology extends to photography as well, including the ability to recognize common scenes for optimal exposure. A feature called HYPERLAPSE that creates high-quality images in low-light conditions, and HDR photo capture. Among the most innovative new features is 8K HYPERLAPSE, which combines time-lapse photography with the element of movement, creating video with a resolution 4 times that of 4K. The Mavic Air 2 also includes impressive safety features. Front and rear obstacle avoidance sensors warn pilots if they get too close to an object. And new AirSense technology warns of other nearby aircraft. Flying is designed to be easy. A new controller mounts a smartphone on top for better viewing, and the updated DJI Fly app features an intuitive user interface. The Advanced Pilot Assistance System automatically navigates around objects so you can concentrate on filming. Once you take off, the Mavic Air 2 can stay aloft for up to 34 minutes, and DJI's OcuSync 2.0 transmission system delivers a reliable HD video feed. Its portable size, numerous smart features, and outstanding performance make the Mavic Air 2 one of the most versatile drones on the market. For more information on the DJI Mavic Air 2, visit DPReview.com.